Hello friends, and we are in this Christmas spirit again. So here it is my snowman, and I just today want to draw his head, and he have a scarf. So I'm starting from the head, and here is this like cylinder type of head, and we will do it like this. And then here the other part, and then upper part. So here it is. Then I want to work on the head. Here will be eyes, here will be face, or mean head, and here you go. Here will be carrot, so this is place for carrot. Like this. Maybe a little bit bigger, like this. And then I want to paint carrot, like one very long. Like this. And then maybe we will add a little bit of red on this carrot, like this. And then, yes, I just want to also to add this. So I found this pretty cheap. So I don't know, should I add maybe a green and blue? So I was thinking here on this part of his head. So this is a little, not shimmery, but like metallic colors. So here is this part from the head, like some things around the head. And here it is, like this. And these eyes. So he has his little eyes. And now the scarf. And I want this scarf to be red. Oh no, first I wanna, because we add this, I want to add green leaves, like from holly. So here is our holly. And then I want to add red berries here, and here, and here. So this is really, do not look green. I don't know, it is, but not very much. But now I want to add red scarf around his neck. So it is like this, and then like this. So here it is, his little scarf, and then like this. This, and then this other part of the scarf, just like on the wind. Like this. So his little scarf is a little bit damaged. Then I want to add a little bit of white here and there. Like this. And then I want to add a little bit of shadows here from the head and here. So like this. And yes, here also. And from the carrot, maybe here. So it is cute. I love this snowman. He's so cute. I need more white here. And maybe again red over this white. Then I want to smudge this part where his head is. And I found this picture on Pinterest, but somebody is painted with watercolors, and I don't know person's name. If somebody know, please tell me. I would like to give this artist a credit. So just a little bit of shadows here and there, and in this holly and here. Okay, so now I want to add a little bit of snow, like a little bit of, oh no, it is red. I didn't clean my white and now it is red. So when we make mistake, we just scrub and do this. So we somehow did manage to some small, some big. And then I was thinking a little bit of smudging of this. Just these bigger ones. And then I was thinking to add a bit of silver or gold. I don't know. Maybe silver. So here. And our snowman is finished. I think it's very cute. I really love how this one came out. Please tell me what you think. And I want to sign it. And spritz it. See you tomorrow. Bye.